Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Mansoor Bilal and you are watching CGH Tutors. In today's topic, I will show you how you can edit a recorded tutorial in Premiere Pro 2017. So without wasting much more time, let's jump into the tutorial. First of all, you need to click on Start and then go to find the Premiere Pro 2017. And it will open in a minute. By the way, this is the Bandi Cam. I am using my all tutorials with this super awesome software. It's recording in 2K with 60 frames per second, and it will give you the idea about time, seconds and minutes and all that. Right now I am in a 46 seconds, 48 seconds, and it is also giving me the hard drive space. You can also see out of 27 GB hard drive space, and it's recording in a full screen. So I am making all tutorials from this. The mic I am using is Boya mic M1, and the system which I am using for this is HPZ 600, which is having NVIDIA Quadro 6000 graphic card, and that's it. And now we are going to edit the recorded tutorial because there are so many mistakes. Because sometimes you are facing a situation where you have no words to say and you are running out of sentences and lines, and you stuck in a situation where you are not having the proper words and sentences to describe your situation, and you are running out of sentences and out of words. And here comes the editing part. So for that, you need to edit that tutorial. Go to New and Project and then assign the name Tutorial Editor. That's it. And it will use Mercury, Playback, GPU Acceleration, CUDA Core, Time, OK, HDV. Where I want to save my projects, I am going to tutorial section and I am making tutorial. Put the name, that should be Upwork tutorial. Selected, this folder selected, OK. This generated a new project, so now I import recorded tutorial into that section. So I need to double click on this area, the project area, then I find the recorded tutorial, the recorded one, which was I think maybe this one. Now I need to drop this video into timeline section, so it will give me the generated sequence that will match to this video automatically. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. So here I need to reset my Windows custom space into the editing section because I am using two screens and this Bandi Cam software can record only one screen. So I need to make this Premiere Pro into the default order like it was before, like I first time installed. So right now it's back to the default position. So now you can see the better things and the better results. Mostly in that kind of tutorials where you are briefing and where you are trying to tell something, you mostly feel that you are running out of sentences and out of words. So this tutorial is I think 12 minutes long. So I need to cut it down. So I have to put music and my intro into this section so it will give more feel and all that. And I have to find that music and all. And I need to import that specific thing into this. Where I put it, the CGH thing. I think it was in the tutorial maybe. I need to find that logo. I need to pause the tutorial and find the specific thing. Hello guys, so I'm back. Sorry for getting late. I was looking for the logo and music and finally I found it. So I'm back. Here I imported the music, which is this one, and I need to reduce the gain. How I can reduce the gain? The thing is, when you want to reduce the gain, click on audio, press G from your keyboard and adjust the set gain. I will say -15. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mansoor Bilal and you are watching CGH Tutors. Still it's very high. I need to make it -20 CGH Tutors. In today's topic, I will tell you about little bit about Upwork. This website is all kind of IT related services are there. Okay, that seems okay to me. Now I need to copy this music and extend this in a more proper order. For that I need to paste it like this way. Now the music is pasted all over in the video. Now I need to import the logo, which is very important for this project, and for every project you should have your animated logo. So I imported the intro logo and I will put there, and I think this logo is a bit smaller version, so I need to scale it up a bit for the adjustment. I think 130 will be enough. No, 135 maybe. I think 135 fits properly. CGH. By the way, I made this logo into Maya and I rendered out in maybe Keyshot. Yes. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Now you can see where different parts are not good, so I need to cut them by pressing Ctrl K, and for back snap and for forward snap you have to press Q and W from your keyboard, getting into the order of proper feel. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mansoor Bilal and you are watching CGH Tutors. In today's topic I will tell you about little bit about Upwork. Till here it seems okay. This website is basically people are using this for earning source. There are a ton of projects related to website designing and graphic designing, video editing, all kind of IT related services are there. I need to remove the hiss from this recorded sound, so I need removal, automatic click remover, audio effect. Let's put this and see what it can do. Basically people are using, no, I don't need this. I need audio effects and I need denoiser from the audio effects. Yes. Today's topic I will tell you about little bit about Upwork. This website is basically people are using this for earning source. There are a ton of projects related to website designing and graphic designing, video editing, all kind of IT related services are there. Of projects related to website designing and graphic designing, video editing, and people are earning ton of money from this website. So today I decided to show you a bit, to give you an overview of this website, and I hope this will help you a lot to taking decision that either you are going to use this website for earning purposes, or it will help you in different ways. Like some people are not doing freelance as a full-time job. They are doing jobs in a different private sectors, but they are looking for extra earning source. So in that case, this website and this tutorial will definitely help you out. So without wasting and talking much more about this website, let's straight jump into this website and let me show you how you can edit. Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mansoor Bilal and you are watching CGH Tutors. So by doing all that, you can basically edit. You need to cut the videos, and at the end when you cutted all the parts, now click all that and press question mark from your keyboard, so it will select the selected area. It will highlight the selected area. Basically it will put in and out markers, and then you can press Ctrl M, so it will allow you to make an export, to send to export. I will select H264 match high sequence. Maybe match high sequence is not the thing for me, because it's telling me that it will do some crazy thing like 912, and I don't want that, so I need to decrease that to 2 maybe, so it will come back to some kind of 250 MB tutorial, which is still very high in space. I don't have any other option. It is also giving me the frame rate, which is 60. I recorded this from the Bandi Cam and the frame rate was 60. Here you can see the 60 frame rate with 80Q. It's mean the 80% quality it's recording, and you can change that by by clicking setting and 60 to another frame rate, and here you can put to high like 100%. So still now it's a 13.56 14 basically minutes recorded. So I need to stop this. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the bell icon so you will get notifications when I will upload new videos.